Okay, and we'll show you how to change the spark plug in the Zabel 700. Okay, go one side out, and the other side. Then get the seat off. So this is it with the seat off, and you can see I need to take that bolt out now. Then after that, I gotta take off these 4 bolts on both, 2 bolts on each side there, and then I can take the tank off. And then I can change the spark plugs. And there you go. It's finally off. And there you are. So you have 2 plugs, one on this side. You have one on that side to take off. Okay, we're getting rid of that. We're going to try this new cable and see if that's better. But so yeah, so now you can take off these plugs. You got to take your bike completely apart if you wanted to change the spark plugs on the trail. The other thing you'll notice is it barely just fits in there, which means that if I had some of these that are thicker, they don't fit. Okay. So this is the spark plug that was actually in the Zabel. It is a Denso W7 EMR-C. This is a non-iridium plug. And this is the plug that they actually sent me the bike in. So these had already been run. This has been in there since 2016. So whenever I had taken this out before, this is the spark plug that was in there. So you can see here is the iridium plug. And you can run the Densos also have an iridium plug version of this, but this wasn't in there. Now this is the regular spark plugs that we typically use, you know, in the bikes here. So a typical spark plug, this is an iridium. You can see that the body is longer. Now for this one here, we can't have the body longer because these go directly under the gas tank. And these go into the gas tank pretty much at an angle like this. And so if it was a longer plug, you wouldn't be able to get the gas tank on. These iridium compared to the standard ones I usually put in my dirt bikes, the tips, these ones are shorter than these ones. Okay. This here is a regular iridium plug, and the other difference between the other one is the other one. Okay, so this is this version. That's the difference. So we'll try these ones out, I guess. Next time I go out. That's from the mess. You can see I also changed the cable and bled it differently. Feels like it's a lot better than it was. Still pretty hard though, but we'll see when we ride it.